This brand right here has been one of my kind of go-tos when I'm doing like a quick detailing on a vehicle. Say it's just like my truck here or my little small car. This is the Mother's Spray Wax. It cleans, protects, spray on, wipe off, max booster for safe for all clear coats. So it's safe on any type of clear coats, and it gives a really nice shine. To use it, you want to begin with a cool cloth. So you want to wash your vehicle first, which I just did. And then you want to dry off the surface. This can be applied to wet or dry surfaces. You want to spray it on a 2 to 3 foot square area. Use a soft microfiber cloth or terry cloth and spread it evenly. Then let it dry. Then turn to the dry side of the cloth and then wipe it down. Then just repeat until the entire vehicle is complete. So this is something I recommend for anyone that just needs to have a good solid kind of spray on wax that pretty much can do all vehicles, that looks great and keeps your vehicle looking really good. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the M-Tech Spray Wax by Mother. See y'all in the next video.